Disclaimer. The content presented on the Stone Research channel is for informational and educational purposes only. They do not constitute an investment recommendation or financial advice. Investing in the stock market, cryptocurrencies, and other financial instruments involves a high risk of capital loss. Consider whether you understand the risks involved and whether you can afford them. The full disclaimer is available at website stonerzarch.io/disclaimer. Please read it before viewing this material. We invite you to listen to the report. DeepSeek, did they specifically release an app and play shorts on it? Basic information of both companies. Highflyer's background and DeepSeek's launch. Highflyer is described as a Chinese quantitative hedge fund founded in 2015, focusing on AI and trading strategies. It established DeepSeek in 2023 to delve into AI research, specifically targeting artificial general intelligence, AGI. Market impact and speculation. The launch of DeepSeek's AI models, notably DeepSeek-V2 and DeepSeek-R1, has been associated with a significant market reaction, including a drop in tech and AI-related stocks. This has led to speculation about market manipulation, particularly since Highflyer is a hedge fund with a history in trading. Evidence or lack thereof. No direct evidence from the provided sources explicitly shows Highflyer engaged in strategic short selling based on DeepSeek's launch. There are no official statements, financial disclosures, or regulatory actions cited that would confirm such activities. The success of DeepSeek's models and benchmarks and their impact on the market are discussed, but this is more aligned with the competitive landscape of AI technology rather than market manipulation. Speculative theories. Speculative posts on X suggest that Highflyer might have taken short positions in anticipation of market downturns triggered by DeepSeek's announcements. However, these are theories without corroborating evidence from official sources or financial data. Conclusion. The speculation around DeepSeek's launch being a move for short-selling gains by Highflyer lacks concrete evidence in the provided information. While the timing and effects of DeepSeek's announcements on the market are notable, attributing these to a deliberate strategy for short-selling remains unproven. For solid evidence, one would need to look at Highflyer's trading activities, regulatory filings, or statements from the companies involved, which are not available here. Highfly Investment Fund Connections. Liang Wenfeng. He is the founder of both Highflyer and DeepSeek. Liang Wenfeng studied AI at Zhejiang University and was involved with Highflyer before founding DeepSeek. His role in both companies is a direct connection. Lu Xingzhe. Although not the founder of DeepSeek, Lu Xingzhe is the CEO of Highflyer Quant, which is mentioned as the parent and funder of DeepSeek. His leadership at Highflyer indicates a strategic and operational link between the two entities. However, he is not directly linked to DeepSeek in terms of founding or leading the AI research. Personnel overlap. DeepSeek has been noted for hiring new graduates or those early in their AI careers, often from within China, with a preference for ability over experience. While there's no explicit mention of these individuals being directly from Highflyer, the shared location in Hangzhou and the connection through Liang Wenfeng suggest there might be personnel who transitioned or work in both contexts, especially considering Highflyer's early involvement in AI for trading, which could have provided a talent pool for DeepSeek. Physical proximity. Both companies are based in Hangzhou, Zhejiang, which could facilitate shared personnel or resources. There's a mention that Highflyer and DeepSeek share an office building, further suggesting operational and personnel connections. Shared goals and resources. Highflyer's AI unit and its involvement in DeepSeek's creation, particularly in terms of funding and providing initial compute resources like GPUs, indicate a deep integration between the companies. Highflyer's strategic move into AI research through DeepSeek is evident, with the hedge fund's resources being utilized for DeepSeek's development. Speculative informations. Funding and cost speculation. There's widespread speculation regarding the actual cost of training DeepSeek's models. While DeepSeek claimed to have spent less than $6 million on training DeepSeek-V2, some skeptics believe the costs might have been significantly higher, possibly leveraging Highflyer's resources or undisclosed advanced hardware. This speculation arises from the belief that achieving such performance at the stated cost would be unusually efficient. Hardware acquisition. There's debate around how much hardware, particularly NVIDIA GPUs, DeepSeek used for training. Some sources suggest DeepSeek might have used significantly more than disclosed, potentially circumventing U.S. export controls through alternative supply chains, which would imply a much higher investment than publicly stated. Market manipulation theories. Posts on X have speculated that Highflyer might have used DeepSeek's launch to manipulate the market, particularly by taking short positions on tech stocks that would be affected by DeepSeek's announcements. The theory posits that the hedge fund could profit from the market's reaction to DeepSeek's competitive claims and low-cost model development. Long-term strategy. Speculation also includes whether DeepSeek was part of a long-term strategy by Highflyer to not only push AI development but also to establish a position in the AI market that could be leveraged for future financial gains, either through direct AI applications or through influencing market dynamics. Political and economic implications. There's commentary about how DeepSeek's success might be seen in the context of US-China tech rivalry, with some posts suggesting that China's progress in AI could be part of a broader strategic move to challenge US tech dominance. This isn't strictly speculative about DeepSeek's financial strategies but adds to the narrative around its significance. Ownership. Liang Wenfeng is the founder of both DeepSeek and Highflyer, thus directly connecting the two companies at the executive level. Operational connections. DeepSeek is described as being owned and operated by both Hangzhou DeepSeek Artificial Intelligence Company, Limited and Beijing DeepSeek Artificial Intelligence Company, Limited, with Highflyer as a significant backer. This indicates shared resources or strategic alignment, possibly including personnel, funding, or technology. Highflyer Capital Management has a direct financial stake in DeepSeek, funding its operations and likely influencing its strategic direction due to shared leadership. The existence of both Hangzhou and Beijing DeepSeek entities suggests a strategic expansion or division of operations, possibly to leverage different regional advantages or to scale operations more effectively. Main shareholder. Highflyer Capital Management is the primary shareholder of DeepSeek. Highflyer is a hedge fund that founded and funds DeepSeek. DeepSeek. There is no additional information on other significant shareholders beyond Highflyer. DeepSeek is represented as being wholly owned by Highflyer. Connections with other companies. Highflyer Capital Management has two subsidiaries regulated by AMAC, Asset Management Association of China. Zhejiang Highflyer Asset Management Company Ltd. Ningbo Highflyer Quant Investment Management Partnership LLP. DeepSeek operates under two entities. Hangzhou DeepSeek Artificial Intelligence Company Ltd. Beijing DeepSeek Artificial Intelligence Company Ltd. There's no explicit information in the provided sources about other companies connected to DeepSeek beyond Highflyer, but the structure with two locations, Hangzhou and Beijing, suggests strategic placement of operations. Capital. Highflyer Capital Management manages assets worth approximately $8 billion. In the past, they achieved returns of 151% since 2017, indicating significant working capital and investment capabilities. DeepSeek. Information on capital is less clear, but it's known that Highflyer has invested substantial funds in DeepSeek's development, including hardware for AI training. The cost to train the DeepSeek-V2 model was estimated at about $5.58 million, which is relatively small compared to other major AI models, though this might not reflect Highflyer's full financial commitment to the project. Summary. Highflyer is the main and only mentioned shareholder of DeepSeek, indicating a strong financial and strategic connection. Highflyer has significant financial resources, which are used both for hedge fund operations and funding AI innovation through DeepSeek. There's no information on other significant shareholders or companies related to DeepSeek beyond Highflyer, but DeepSeek's structure with two branches shows a strategic approach to AI development in China. American market reaction. The American market's response to DeepSeek was significant. Stock value decline. Following DeepSeek's announcements, stocks of many tech companies, especially those associated with AI and chip technology, saw substantial declines. Notably, Nvidia, its stock dropped by about 16 to 17%, marking one of the largest single-day market value drops in Wall Street history for one company. Other tech giants, Microsoft, Alphabet, Google, and Meta also experienced declines, though less dramatic, in the range of a few percentages. Stock market indices. The Nasdaq, which is particularly sensitive to tech sector fluctuations, fell more than 3% in response to the DeepSeek news. Speculation and analysis. The market reacted to DeepSeek with uncertainty, with experts and investors pondering the long-term impact on the AI sector, especially regarding cost and accessibility of AI technology. Some analysts argue this is a short-term reaction, given the strong fundamentals of the US AI market, and investments in AI infrastructure will remain crucial. Others see DeepSeek as a signal of potential market dynamics shift where costs could become more competitive and AI models more accessible. Reactions on X. On the platform X, some users claimed DeepSeek was overhyped, while others highlighted it as the beginning of a new era in AI, where innovation can come from anywhere in the world, not just the USA. Conclusion. DeepSeek's success caused shockwaves in the American tech market, forcing investors to reconsider valuations and future strategies in the AI sector. While the short-term reaction was negative for many U.S. firms, the long-term implications might lead to a more competitive and innovative AI landscape.
Want to know everything about the company or project you are investing in? Contact us, info@stoneresearch.io. Visit Webeast, stonerzarch.io.
Thank you for listening. We invite you to follow our website, stonerzarch.io. We are also at x.com/stonerzarchio.